Distinguished guests, welcome to the core production workshop of TIANFEIHIGh-TECH gas meters. This is the cradle of precision manufacturing, where 3 core production lines operate seamlessly. In the injection molding workshop, high temperature. Molten raw materials are accurately shaped into each tough and durable plastic part, laying a solid foundation for quality control from the source. Workers follow standardized processes to assemble and debug parts one by one, transforming scattered components into complete gas meter prototypes with their skilled craftsmanship. Finally, in the testing workshop, equipped with professional testing equipment, strict inspections are conducted layer by layer, covering measurement accuracy, safety, performance, durability, and stability, leaving no details unchecked to ensure every gas meter delivered from the factory is reliable, durable, and precise. From raw materials to finished products, from craftsmanship to precision, every process and detail here embodies our commitment to quality and responsibility to users. We have always adhered to integrity as the foundation and quality as the soul. And we look forward to achieving win-win cooperation with all of you.